Once this VS Code is there, click on launch. So I will click on launch. Now something is going to happen. Let's see what. And you see, it's launching. This is what you want,
Yeah,
Kapil.
yes, yeah. You can. I mean, it's up to you if you
And you
want to.
can see here it's saying
You can do.
sign in to use Copilot for free. This
Yeah.
is my recommendation is this one, guys. Okay, you should use Copilot. It's a superb tool. It's a free tool. It will make your code and life easy. You don't have to write coding. That will do. So I will click on this get sign up. Okay,
Mhm.
Copilot. For this Copilot to install in your you need a GitHub account. Okay, GitHub account. Create a GitHub account. Sign up. If you do not have those who don't have GitHub account, okay, you do not have, then sign up. Give your email ID. Sign up. Okay, I have GitHub account, so I'm not just using. Already have it. Okay, so if I go here, github.com, you see here, I already have it. Okay, my GitHub account. So now this GitHub account I need to give here. It will ask for sign in. I'll still click on get started for free. It is saying sign in to use Copilot for free. I'll click on sign in, and this login will come, and it is asking me the installation password and all those things. Uh, so I need to pass this to, let's me, okay. So it is trying to sign into GitHub. Let me see. It's already signing here. The request will should come because I have multiple Google Chrome instances opened. So it's going somewhere, guys. Okay, for you it will be easier once you click on that sign in thing. Okay, I exactly don't know where it is going. Um, let me see. Uh, so try to restart your laptop and all those things and freshly do this. Okay, when you see the video and do not now, so that it will be easier for you. Okay, so for me it's just sign in, and see it's just rotating. It's coming in some Copilot. I don't know what is this. Okay, okay. Let me just DevOps Cloud SRE. So remember your password. I just forgot my password. That's why this kind of issues are coming. I have my password logged in here. GitHub.com. I don't know how to. Okay, I need to go here. So when you click on this, something will open, and that will be like this edge will open, guys. Okay, for you. And you see Microsoft is asking you to log in like that. Okay, fine. So maybe what I will do, I'll just try to forget my password. I'll just give my email ID. Okay, verify, use arrow. This arrow should match, submit, and then I'll send. Try again. That was not quite right. Try again. See, this should in the same, and then this is just to see that you are a bot or not. And you see now successful, and it will send me a password to reset, return to sign in. I don't know what happened. That's the problem if you have multiple accounts. Let me see if I can log in with. Okay, great. So now you see I'm able to log in. So I just forgot my password because of that, and all these things, the issue happened. But then you might be remembering your password because you will be creating your pass user, and you see it's signing in. Once this signs up, you will be in a good step. Okay, so let it work like this. Now what
Hey
it
everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.